Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products out there, and today, we're talking about the best small wood pieces, the Byher Driftwood pieces for crafts, frames, wreaths, surf art, and beach decor. These unique little pieces of nature are perfect for all your crafting, decorating, and DIY projects. This set contains 55 driftwood pieces, ranging from 1 to 4 inches in length, with a total weight of 8 ounces. Each piece has been hand-picked from Songhua River in Jilin, China, ensuring that you get the highest quality wood for your projects. The driftwood is collected during the winter and spring seasons when the beach is still empty, allowing the natural beauty of the wood to shine through. After collection, the pieces are air-dried in winter and sun-dried in the summer, ensuring they are clean and ready to use. These pieces have been washed thoroughly to remove any loose sand, small stones, or sea salt, although a little extra cleaning might be needed depending on your personal preference. The beauty of these driftwood pieces is their versatility. Whether you're working on crafting projects, creating beach-themed decor, or designing a wedding or baby shower centerpiece, these driftwood pieces can be the perfect addition to your creations. You can use them to make garlands, frame decorations, mirrors, or even wedding favors. The natural colors vary from light gray to dark brown, making each piece unique and adding an organic, rustic touch to any design. These driftwood pieces are perfect for artists, crafters, and home decorators alike. Whether you're creating beautiful home decor, adding a beachy vibe to your space, or designing intricate art projects, the Byher Driftwood pieces for crafts offer the right mix of size, texture, and authenticity. They may be fragile due to the exposure to salt water and sunlight, but with the right care, they can be drilled, cut, or glued into any shape or design you need. In conclusion, if you're in need of high-quality, natural, and rustic wood pieces for your next crafting or decorating project, the Byher Driftwood pieces are the best small wood pieces for the job. Head over to Amazon, check them out, and start creating your next masterpiece. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with more great product reviews.